The next step in the preview predict stage is to create your semantic map on paper. So you start with a title and you put that at the top of the paper. We're creating an overview page which will tell you the title and all major concepts contained within it. So as you can see, the title of our chapter, which was memory, is contained in the title shape. Each of the 7 major headings are linked to the title. And what this tells you is these are the important concepts contained in this chapter. Our next step is to take each major heading and create an individual page that will contain important information about that concept. I'm going to show you memory storage, and we'll build an entire page for that major concept. So in your semantic map, you've built an overview page, and now we're taking the major concept of memory storage and building a page directly related to all the information that's important to memory storage. So in the text, all level 1 subheadings, which are found in the ovals, are there. If you'll note, sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory are all parts of memory storage. And then you can also notice that in sensory memory, there is a graphic supporting it. And this graphic helps explain a particular item in sensory memory. As you notice, in sublevel 1 heading of short-term memory, there are 2 sublevel 2 headings that relate to it. Chunking and rehearsal and working memory are both found in the short-term memory section of the text. Also, in working memory, there was a graphic and some key words that will be important to help you remember things in working memory. In long-term memory, there are 4 level 2 subheadings, but you'll also notice in some of the level 2 headings, there's also a level 3. So in this one, hierarchies, semantic networks, schemas, and connectionist networks are all related to how memory is organized. In this particular part of the text, there are also 3 graphics that are important, each one of them illustrating or explaining a key part of how memory is organized. When you have finished with your semantic map, often called a skeleton because it's the skeleton, bare bones of concepts contained in the chapter, it'll look something like this. Remember, this is only one portion. This is the portion for memory storage. So this is only 1 page out of 7 pages in this chapter that you'll have. But you can see when you're finished, you'll have level 1 headings in ovals, level 2s in clouds, level 3s in the price tag. You also note you have graphic shapes, you also have boxed information shapes, and you have key term shapes included. One other thing to note is leave lots of white space. You'll notice they are not crowded together. There is space in between because you're going to be adding information in later. To learn more about previewing and predicting, click on the box to the left. To learn about any stage in the plan, please click on the appropriate letter to the right.